Okay, so next we're going to look at the intercluster distance to help us understand if the clusters we've chosen, the number of k-means clusters, make sense in our cluster analysis. So we're going to call the k-means first, and we're going to assign it 6 clusters, which is what we've determined is a good number of clusters, or we think is a good number of clusters. We're going to assign that to the k-means to a variable, and we're going to then fit this variable using df, and then we're only going to select out the features. We've assigned a list of the column names that we want to use in our feature analysis. So we're just going to look at only the features we're using in our cluster analysis, not all of the features. And then we're going to go visualize, we're going to assign to a visualizer object. So the intercluster distance equals the k-means that we created over here. And we're going to assign, or we're going to fit the visualizer object, again, using only the features from a cluster. And then we'll do very similar to matplotlib, we're going to show this. And we can see here, we have good separation, although I would say there's a little bit of overlap. So maybe we use 6 clusters, and we might want to look at using 5 clusters to help reduce this overlapping. Okay.